next thing we need to now check here is what? Let us look at what? Historical development of what? Of atom. Now, historical what? Development of atom. So, we are talking about what? The historical development of atom. The first scientists that discover atom is called Democritus. Democritus in 400 years BC, before Christ, discover atom. So, Democritus discover what? Atom. So, the first person that introduced atom to us is called what? Democritus in the 400 years before what? Before Christ. He discovered that what? Atom is an indivisible part of what? Of an element. By performing a what? Experiment with a sheet of what? Of paper. He tried to what? To tear the paper, break it into two, until to get to a point the paper cannot be divided into what? How cannot be divided into any further portion again. So the math tells us that what? Anything, an atom, the term atoms is what? Is indivisible particle. So the person that is what? Introduced atom to us is called what? Democritus in 400 years before Christ. So the next scientist now we need is what? We have John Dalton. Dalton in 18 in 1808. So John Dalton is the person that discovered atomic theory. So who discovered atomic theory? Is what? John Dalton. But Democritus discovered what? Atom himself. Dalton is the one that is what? Bring the ideas of what? Atomic theory what? To us. What is the atomic theory by what? John Dalton? Let's look at it too. Atomic theory. According to the what? Dalton. Dalton said that what? Atom is the smallest particle of what? An element. So the first tells us what? Atom is what? The smallest what? Particle. So according to the John Dalton atomic theory, is one of the Dalton first theory said that what? Atom is the smallest what? Particle. The second one is also said that what? Atom can now what? That be what? Created. Not what? Destroy. So that thing also tells us that what? Atom is what? You can never create the atom, let alone be what? We will destroy atom. That is what? That thing second atomic what? Atomic theory. The next one is what? That thing also tells us that what? Atom of the same element, they look alike in all aspects. It's a what? Atom of what? Of the same element. Two atoms of what? Of the same element. So what? Two atoms atoms of the same element, they what? They look alike in all aspects. So, either what? Two or more atoms of the same element, he said, they look alike in what? In all aspects. The next one is also that what? Atom of atoms of different elements are not what? Look are what? Alike. So that thing said that what? Atom of the same element, they must look alike in all aspects. Its fourth theory said that what? Two atoms of different elements, they are absolutely what? Different. They cannot resemble each other. And the last one of the theory, he said atoms combine together in simple ratio. So those are the what? The five atomic theory by what? By Dartin or John Dartin. So the John Dartin atomic theory in 18 what? 08. But at the end of this class, I will state the what? The modern atomic what? Atomic theory, because all this that atomic theory is later what? Nullified. He said atom is the smallest particle. Good. If the atom is the smallest particle, inside the atom, we still have what? Electron, proton, and neutron. He said atom can either be created or destroyed. The nuclear fusion and nuclear fission we have in radioactivity is also what? And nullify this what? Second Dartin theory. Because in nuclear fusion, we can split elements and then we can also what? Make what? Elements. So the next one we also have what? Atom of the same element, they look alike in all aspects out of isotope. If we have hydrogen, we have three isotopic elements. We have what? Protium, deuterium, and a tritium. Look, if you look at it in this way, this is hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, uh, 2, 1, and tritium 3. These are the elements, atom of the same what? Element. But unfortunately, these three atoms, they are not look alike. So definitely, this theory is not accepted again because of the what of isotope. You also what atom of different elements, they are not look alike. But if you look at what isobar, in case of what of isobar, you can have element like what? You can have a carbon. Let me show yes, nitrogen 714 and carbon 614. These are the atom of different elements. This one is what is nitrogen, where this one is what is carbon, but they look alike by having the same mass what mass number. Again, this Dartin atomic theory is not accepted again because of the what of isobar. And the next thing is what? He said the last one, atom combine in simple what? In simple ratio. He's trying to tell us that what if atom want to combine like a what? If you look at water, it two this in the ratio of what? 2 ratio what? 1. If you have what? H2 SO4 in the ratio of what? 2 ratio 1 ratio what? Ratio 4. Good. But out of polymer in organic chemistry. So the polymer also disapproved this was the last atomic what theory. If you look at polymer, we have what of glucose. Glucose is 6H what H12 O what O6 6. We have what 12. We have this. Abi. So and then we have some compound that is contain 12, 30, 50s. So this last one also what is not approved again. So back to the what a soluble displacement of what of atom. Democritus discovered atom 400 years before Christ. John Dalton discovered atomic theory in 18 what? 08. So this is what Dalton atomic what? Atomic theory is the old theory. Is no more what exists. We are using what modern atomic what theory. Before the end of the class, I will give out the what the modern atomic what theory. So after the what J.J. Thomson